Dusty, rainy weather across Egypt on Sunday. Meteorologists predict moderate weather on Sunday over Cairo, Lower Egypt, northern Upper Egypt, and the northeastern coasts, with moderately cold temperatures on the northwestern coasts, warmer weather on South Sinai, and moderately warm on southern Upper Egypt during daytime. Temperatures will grow very cold on most parts of the country by nightfall, with cold on South Sinai. Maximum temperatures for the following cities are: Alexandria, 17 C. Cairo, 20 C. Cana, Luxor, and Aswan, 22 C. Light to medium rainfall at 50% chances are expected on Behyra, Kafr al-Sheikh, and Dakhiliya, while light to medium rainfall at 60% is expected on Saloum, Metro, Alexandria, Rashid, and Baltem. Active winds blowing up sand and dust expected on Greater Cairo, Lower Egypt, northern coasts, and Upper Egypt. Waves in the Mediterranean Sea will be rough, ranging between 2.5 and 3 meters in height, with northwestern to southwestern surface winds, while waves in the Red Sea will be moderate, ranging between 1.5 and 2 meters in height with northwestern surface winds.